Hey all, today I'm showing you how I care for all my plants as requested from one of my last videos. I absolutely love plants. They bring warmth into any home, they're great for mental health and they purify the air. I have plants in my bathroom, in my bedroom, and in my living room. I also have them in my kitchen. To take care of my plants, I start by pruning them. This is removing all the dead or yellowing leaves. It's important to remove the dead leaves because these drain nutrients from the healthy leaves and can stifle the growth of a healthy plant. Then I water the plants. It's the warmer growing season, so the plants need more water, usually 2 to 3 times a week. In the winter, I only water once every 2 weeks. Be sure to not overwater, otherwise you can get root rot. I let my plants speak to me. If the leaves curl or droop, it's thirsty, so I water them. And this way I can avoid overwatering. Then I spray this bug killer, but only if there's a gnat infestation, and I use these yellow sticky papers to catch the gnats. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I completely love plants.